Hello beloved bus browsers and coach crazies, this is Jeremy from Smart Choice Sales. In this video we're going to show you around this 2023 Ford E450, but we'll start by lifting up the hood and giving you a sound as to what it sounds like. Okay, let's continue by looking inside the bus here. As we look at the hardwood floors, we lift our way in with the rail. You see it right there, right beside the fire extinguisher and the first aid kit. Okay, there's the driver's area. We'll come back and look at that. You're looking at the 24 seats. Each of the 24 leather seats have an armrest, seat belt, and conveniently located next to them is a USB outlet. On the back of the seat is a little netting area where you can put your phone, your wallet, your keys, any paperwork from where you may have been, any mementos or whatnot, for quick and easy access. It also has overhead storage for more space for your passengers. Okay, continuing forward toward the driver's area, you may see that the driver's area here has a USB port and a cigarette lighter for any of the driver's needs, such as a GPS or phone charging. As we look more toward the steering wheel area, you'll see the display. On the display, one thing that's really neat is it has an estimated distance to empty. You don't have to take your best guess with the manual hand here on the gas. Here you have an estimated distance to empty, which will give you a better idea of how far you can go before you finally need to go fill up and get some gas. Okay, let's hop off and look around the rest of the bus. All right, we'll start by looking under the front passenger side tire. There you see the tread depth. All right, let's continue around. Looking further along the passenger side, we'll hop under the back right tire to look around there as well. Okay, we'll hop out of here and continue our walk around the back. Back, you'll see the storage area. There's no damage on the side that you can see as we continue to move around. See, nothing really pops out there standing out as far as major damage. Here's the back storage area. You've got a step there to lift you up. You can step up, turn the door handle, and there is your rear storage area. For some of your suitcases, some of your, for your baseball teams, you can put your bats and whatnot back there, your foot lockers and everything. So that's kind of what it looks like in the back. So we'll step off, close the door right there, and continue looking around. Now we'll look under the driver's side of the bus on the back near the storage area. Okay, we'll get out and continue walking around toward the driver's seat, but here's a side view of the driver's area. Okay, we'll take a quick glance under here and give you a view of what it looks like under the bus near the driver's seat area. Okay, so let's hop out from there and continue toward the front. Here is a view of the front driver's side tire. Okay, so that wraps up this view of this 2023 Ford E450 Super Econoline from smartchoicesales.com. If you like it, give us a call at 336-808-0320. Tell us what you like about it and we can see how we can make it yours. smartchoicesales.com, 336-808-0320 for this 2023 Ford E450 Super Econoline from smartchoicesales.com.